person, what a person is going through. Let's see. At present your person actually is thinking of taking some action, or I don't know, they are only thinking person, because this page of cups is a very is not a king kind of energy, it's a page kind of energy. So your person definitely thinks of some kind of partial reunion with you, or thinking of contacting you, or they must be thinking that you are a good person, or they had a good relationship with you. This is also quite possibility, because this person is only thinking. Yes, you can see your person is only thinking. This person is not an action oriented person, or they are thinking that you are very action oriented. How you used to approach them, every time you used to only take the action towards this union, and you only used to approach them so that you both get united. They are thinking at present this way. Your person is thinking this way. See, bottom of the deck, a person is meditating a lot right now. A person is in a healing procedure. Yeah, your person actually wants to take action. Ace of Wands is coming. A person wants to take action, and the Wheel of Fortune is telling me that your person, one major cycle has closed. Definitely a major cycle of not taking action has closed, you can say that, because they are thinking, they are very passionate also. They love you, that's so for sure, because Ace of Wands is a card of passionate love, so they definitely love you, that's the for sure. But they themselves don't realize it that they love you. Actually they are trying to balance also. Just see, this person is standing on one leg, how they are trying to balance. At present they are also in the situation of balancing their life, you can say that. And the moon card says with some secret or some illusion definitely of a person is going to come out. Some illusion, God is going to tell you that this person is secretly, some secret of a person is going to come out in front of you. I think so. Yeah, the person is definitely thinking of taking action. They want to balance out thing. They want to balance this relationship, but they feel very tied down. They don't know how to take action. Very fear oriented. They don't see future. Actually, they are not clear about the future. They don't know whether they will have a good future with you. That's why they feel very tied down, or tied down by third party or their family members. But they don't know how to take the action. They want to take the action very fast, and they were very earliest, you can say. And they want to balance this relationship also, but they are not able to take action because so many fears. Just see, imagine this person is having so many fears, and they feel so much tied down, and they are not able to take action only. And there is some definitely some secret about this person, about their personal life, which you will come to know. At present they have hidden so many things from you, you don't know, but that things will come in open about your person. See, actually a person is traveling a lot. I feel they are traveling a lot because of their work purpose. I think they are, because they are concentrating more on their material life, their personal life. They want to bring abundance in their life, material abundance they want in life. They want abundance of everything, like love, happiness, material things. If they was be thinking of buying a house, also a second home, this kind of feeling also I have. Your person is trying to build the empire, and the person you are dealing with, I think so, they are financially abundant. If they are not, they will be abundant in future, because 3 number is card also Jupiter, so, and blossoming abundance. So definitely Lord Jupiter will give them lot of abundance in material life also. I feel this way. The person is working a lot on the inner child, the inner childhood wounds also, I feel so. Yeah, I told you this person is trying to ground themselves. Actually, they are trying to balance themselves. Actually, a man holding a coin means a person is trying to ground themselves. If they are not humble, they know how to be humble. Now they are learning how to be humble. They are thinking of many adjustment possibilities of contacting you, or adjustment possibilities of increasing the income. Both is possible, because 6 number, when the 6 number card comes 24, mostly the adjustment possibilities they are thinking in love. But at so many pentacles cards are coming, and abundance card and material chronocopoeia is coming. I feel the person is concentrating more on material life also, and they know they need to balance their home life. 4 number is a card of you can say the 4 of wands, or masculine and feminine energies. They need to balance, how they need to balance their home life. That also a balancing, or a person is balancing their masculine and feminine energies also. See, your person is so much heartbroken at present, so much heartbroken. This person is not in a happy state at all. They are trying to heal themselves. I told you, and they are trying to heal their some childhood wounds also. You don't know some secret about your person, but they will definitely in future will come to know some secret about your person. I feel so. And this person is trying to balance. I'm continuously telling, they are trying to balance something. They want to be magician. They want to change their life, material life. They want abundance in life, so they are working very, very hard on that. And sacral chakra, they are working on the sacral chakra also. They are bringing out the creativity out, whatever creativity they have in themselves, they are bringing that out also, so that that will help in increasing their income. This is where a person is concentrating more on income side and their personal life, business life, because that's the priority at present in a person's life. Let's see what angels have to say. Angels are asking you also to ask help from others, and you will get help from others, and your person is also gathering help for themselves. They are trying to be ready for you. Actually, they are trying to be ready, and they are helpful people. Their people are coming in their lives, such kind of people, that those who are ready to help them, and they are getting, I feel, mostly for their business purpose. They are trying to form a company or something like that, so that they can make a team, so they can have a material harvest. This kind of feeling I am having for your person. Your person is trying to build some empire or business or something like, or either you must be trying to build up some business, so you will definitely success in this. I'm again telling you, I feel in the family of your person, I feel some kind of function, or some happy moment or celebration of a birthday or something like that is definitely happening in your person's life. This kind of energy is coming. Your person is celebrating some success, or they must be attending some parties of friends or relatives where there is some celebration or something, and they are attending parties and functions also. You can say that your person is busy in all those things, in all those activities, you can say completely. They are not much concentrating on you at present. At present, their concentration is more on family life and more on material life. There, I can say that. Okay, friends, thanks for watching. If you like, then please like and subscribe.